Let's now go ahead and replace the starter solenoid located right on the inside of the driver's side fender. Start by disconnecting our battery. Use our 13mm socket. I'll go ahead and loosen this terminal here and we'll slide this off. Now this starter solenoid right here is what we're going to be replacing. We're going to use our 9/16 socket. We're going to go ahead and remove the two nuts holding the electrical to this here. You want to be careful. Make sure that you do disconnect your battery beforehand. These are live wires. If you touch these two terminals, you're going to get a nasty spark. Using a 5/16 deep socket, we're going to remove the screw on the top and one on the side holding the solenoid to the fender. Once you get that last screw out, you can go ahead and remove the starter solenoid. Let's go ahead and install your starter solenoid. I'm going to take one of the screws here. Line this up. Just going to get that started by hand. Once we have that one started, I'm going to go ahead and get our upper one also started by hand, and then we'll go ahead and snug that down. Once it bottoms out, put another third of a turn. I'm going to take our wire here with the little connector, push that onto the side post. And take our bulkhead connector right here, pop that on. Install our lower ground wires here. Once we have those ground wires on, I'm going to go ahead and install the nut on the bottom. And it doesn't matter which nut you put on the top or the bottom first. It really doesn't make a difference. Just snug those down. Once that nut bottoms out just a little bit more, check everything. Then you can go ahead and reconnect your battery. Put your battery terminal on. Go ahead and grab your ratchet or your wrench and go ahead and snug that down. Once you feel that pretty snug, just go ahead and check that terminal and it's nice and tight. Should be good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.